I generally don't tend to, tweak a moving average or tweak an RSI or something like that to fix a system. If I re-optimize a system because I just do that periodically to just check, okay, is the system still set up and in sync with the market, then that's kind of different. But the response to the system breaking, achieving a new maximum drawdown, is typically more than just re-optimizing. It's something structural. I tend to approach it that way anyway. It's kind of hard to optimize your way out of a broken system. But what you can do is say, this set of market conditions has never been seen before. It wasn't in the back test. And clearly there's a weakness in this system. If that sort of behavior happens in the market, that would be like an extra rule as opposed to a re-optimization. I think that's okay. Like the COVID drop, which was the market was at an all-time high and it just fell into a bear market, which hasn't happened before, without some, previously it's sort of, the market has some dips and rallies on its way down. But that COVID crash sort of illustrated a new type of market behavior, which caused some pain for some systems, which could lead rise to different rules or new rules. I think that's a good way to do it as well. But it's really you've got to put your Sherlock Holmes hat on and investigate what broke it, what changed, and then think, okay, is it optimization fine tuning, in which case the system maybe isn't robust, or is it new market behavior, which the system wasn't prepared for, in which case can I add some rules or adjust the structure of the system to survive those market behaviors? Or is it something that you just don't understand and the system's not working anymore and you can't see any real reason for it? And that's the most dangerous one, because there's probably some underlying market behavior or dynamics that have shifted that have just caused your system to fall apart. And in which case, if you can't find a rational reason, usually it's time to shelve the system and look for something else.